What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a user account in Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, ensure you're logged in as an administrator, since you'll need administrative privileges to delete a user account. Now, open the Start menu and search for Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account section. Inside Accounts, click on Other Users. Here, you will see a list of all the user accounts on your PC. Locate the account you want to remove and click on it to reveal the options. You should see a Remove button. Click on it. A warning prompt will appear, informing you that deleting this account will remove all of its data, including files and settings. If you have any important data on this account, make sure to back it up before proceeding. If you're ready to proceed, click on Delete Account and Data. The process might take a few moments, but once it's done, the user account will be completely removed from your system. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a user account from your Windows 11 PC. This will help declutter your login screen and ensure that only the necessary user accounts have access to your computer. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.